Hey everybody, Dr. Stephen here in my study. This is week 6. Gosh, hard to believe. It's second to the last week of class, and it's kind of flown by. And being summer, we've all had so many activities, and on top of it, you guys have just done such a great job in the class. So this week, there's a different sort of video. This is actually a little teaching video that I did a couple of years ago for this class, and it's on the issue of Christ and culture. And so I want you to look at watch the video. It's not that long, just a few minutes long, and that's going to inform one of the questions, because as we talk about it this week about culture and worldview, I want to focus in a little bit on a passage in 1 Chronicles that talks about the sons of Issachar. It says about them that understanding the times, they knew what Israel should do. And so we want to just talk a little bit about what that means to have the kind of discernment, to understand the times in which we live, so that we know what we should do, what our action points should be, so to speak. So continue to work on the weekly writings. And again, as I told you, if you're late on one or two of them, it's okay as long as we get them in by the end of the class, which is the end of week 7. Now, we are going to have a final paper. It's not long, 6 to 8 pages. 6 pages is just fine. And I just want you to pick a topic that's kind of resonated with you while we've been talking about these things. Perhaps the Christians in media, after you saw that great interview with Dan Ruppel, or something else. Anything from your book, anything really from the interviews, just develop it, write it 6 to 8 pages, double spaced. You can use your book, of course, as a reference, and I'd like to have at least 3 references, which would mean 2 outside references, not including the scriptures. So, of course, use your Bible, but just go online, other books that you have, other books that you're familiar with, perhaps the text from C.S. Lewis and the Palmer text, but just one more than, just 3 outside references is all I'd be really looking for. And I'm not this isn't a major term paper. It's just an opportunity for you to kind of put your thoughts together about one topic that we've discussed. So that's due the very last day of class, which is the end of week 7. So it'll be easy. This is going to be a relatively easy course, and all of you are going to do well. I just know it. I give grace. I'm an easy grader in some ways. As long as you turn things in, you're going to get a good grade. Everybody's going to pass and do well. So God bless you guys. I'll see you in the discussion thread.